Real life street stars. We in here with EXO
Hey, what's good?
and Rose.
What's up with it?
Man, I had to get in the interview for this one.
Hey, glad
Glad to have you.
I'm back.
Hold up, baby.
Live and uncut.
All right, y'all go ahead and tell the people where y'all from.
Triple D, Pleasant Grove, 6'5".
Or no side.
Real talk, man. Off top, man. Let's just jump right into it, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all on the cusp of going viral. You know what I'm saying? These real life production boys shot y'all a little. Them real life production boys shot y'all a little situation, man. I mean, like what's called literal eye candy, man. I mean, y'all fucked the game up, man. You know what I'm saying? Well, first, yeah, let's start all the way because I don't want to. You know what I'm saying? We gonna get into that.
Okay.
Tell them what it is, Rose EXO, man. Tell them what it is y'all do. You know what I'm saying? What's y'all claim to fame, man?
Well, you know, we're entertainers, but we also, you know, do the private parties.
We secure all bags.
We secure the
Secure
bags.
all
We walk in
bags.
the trap
We
and
do
take over
everything.
the trap, you know.
Well, not everything, but
Not wait.
not everything.
We finna touch on that.
A cut, looking at, no, she's on her own on that part, but
I
yeah.
said not everything.
Okay, well, at least she cleared it up. But yeah, you know, whatever. We chasing the chick, by all means.
What's the place of business?
Really
Everywhere.
everywhere. We live and
You
local.
cannot
The world
make
is
a
ours.
bag
No,
in one check.
No,
I
you
mean,
can't make it in one spot. You gotta move around. We trying to
Have y'all start traveling?
We trying to bounce that ass everywhere.
Yeah, y'all start traveling around and moving
we
around.
already traveling. We
Oh,
already
okay.
on it.
What's some of the places y'all done hit?
Houston, Louisiana.
I'm trying to go to Atlanta next.
New Mexico.
Damn, New Mexico.
Shaking that ass.
What
for
the
them
fuck?
Mexicans.
What kind of car was that? Are we talking like Albuquerque or what?
No,
Yeah,
like
Albuquerque.
near there.
What the fuck is going on? What's the most turned place you've been to so far?
I say, I don't know.
I say Austin.
Austin was
Austin.
good. We just came back from Houston. They showed us love.
Mad love.
Mad love.
So
Shout out to the Nigerians because their check was for real.
Nigerians in the building.
Nigerians spending that bread on my
Oh yeah, we
mama.
know.
They do.
They got it. Hey.
Yeah, we know. Now,
We gonna see him at Murphy's.
Hey,
Hey,
Murphy's Mansion.
coming for you.
May 10th.
they definitely gonna be.
They gonna be in there. They before us.
gonna
Yeah,
be in
you
that
eat boo-boo.
Man, so man, explain how y'all got y'all name. EXO Princess, Pink Princess. and
Houston
Ro-
actually gave me my name.
What?
I started dancing in Houston, so they gave me EXO.
I mean,
popped
why they
EXO
give you EXO? It was
because
about EXO?
I didn't pop EXO till I got to Houston. I popped that motherfucking EXO, boy. I secured the motherfucking bag. They said your name is EXO from
Is there any
now
video footage of that bag getting secured?
on. No.
Can we
That
Google?
was like 3 years ago.
Oh shit.
Oh man, that's straight off the.
But Houston made me, man, for real.
Real shit. Drake said it.
Remember that one song called Power Up with me?
Oh,
Ecstasy. That song make you want to pop an X pill. God damn. What is your favorite song to come out to when you dancing right now?
we like that Don't Know by Money Man.
Yeah.
That's our shit. That,
Hold on, do it. No, wait. You said Money Man. Oh, Money Man,
Yeah.
not Money Bag. I be getting them niggas confused. Like,
Any Dolph. I
Yeah,
fuck with
anything
Dolph.
we
Dolph.
gon- Really anything you bounce that ass to.
Yeah,
really
anything
ain't got
that got
nothing.
little,
yeah.
Something where you can Mexican music and all shit.
She said Mexican music.
Mexican music and all shit. Anything that got that
Michael
beat.
Jackson, Thriller.
No, y'all are not throwing ass to Michael
No,
Jackson.
really, look, when you're an entertainer, you can dance to anything.
should be.
If you're a dancer, you gonna dance to really the black people music.
Hey, did
When
y'all
you
see
a-
Trap Michael? Did y'all see that Trap Michael Jackson?
Definitely missed that one.
Hey, you got to just go Google that shit. That
Definitely
shit
probably
funny.
gotta Google it.
What's your favorite local artist that music you like to come out to? From the city. From the
Lil
city.
Ronnie. Shout out to Lil
Yeah,
Ronnie.
Lil
Lil
Ronnie,
Ronnie
man.
gonna make you
Throw
throw
that
that
to the
ass.
sun.
Throw that ass
Had
back.
Beyonce doing that shit.
No,
King.
for real. Yeah.
When you
Oh,
were
yeah, BK, yeah,
Oh,
club
my
guy.
mama,
No.
that smell song. That smell
Tell me.
song.
Hey, you know what I'm saying?
that ass.
Hey, wait, back it up. Rose, how'd you get your name, Rose?
Well, I really was by Peaches at first, and then I linked up with her, and shit, we started dancing together, and I had to it had to be something to go together. So, you know, it wasn't no XO and peaches. So we had to do, you know, some XO and rosé, some shit that's sexy and that's gonna, you know, combine and make your ass
the fuck up.
You know what I'm saying? I mean, y'all do go together well. You know what I'm saying? Y'all like a team in that shit. I mean, does it something that come naturally? Is it something that y'all was that chemistry there from the get go?
I think it was just third. Like we both Pisces or whatever, and then so
We
shit.
just connect. Like it's just
What's y'all nationality, man?
black and white. Both
Black
of
and
us.
white. God damn it, man. You know what I'm saying? Got it, man.
Definitely
Got it.
black and white.
Man, when it comes to doing what you do, you know what I'm saying? You know, how well y'all do it. Is there a certain thing that you do to, you know, really get that bag? A certain power move, special move you fill out, that finishing move? Yeah, that finish him.
XO like to get drunk and play gay on her.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
That's
that always fuck us up because
That
niggas
is.
be thinking y'all really like about
that
to.
riding and all that. Like
I
that's
be
what,
trying to eat. I be ready.
all
Yeah.
that, and it make you be
Let's
gay.
plug at this
like-
point. Plug the twerk video. If y'all haven't seen the eye candy,
We
go watch that.
definitely-
And y'all will understand.
Y'all definitely need to go check that video
Y'all
out.
definitely
On
do.
my mama.
We're gonna make
y'all.
another one soon.
We gonna make
Hey.
a lot more soon.
I mean, let's just man,
Real
let's get to the
live.
video, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all was very playful in the video, man. Y'all made that shit look good. I heard y'all was on the Henny.
anything was possible.
Anything was
On my
possible.
Mama, it was. It
Anything was
did.
possible. I mean,
Anything happened.
I mean the video's roughly like three minutes. You know what I'm saying? I'm sure there's some behind the scenes shit that we just really wish we
Y'all
could have been
really
part
wish
of.
I had to
coulda-
definitely cut some shit out of it.
Man, and y'all
Some
and-
stuff we probably don't
and-
even
We
remember.
could probably make another video with the parts that's
Yeah,
coming
we-
out.
Yeah, it could probably
That
be a
shit gonna
few
have to go on
videos.
Pornhub.
It probably could be a few of them. We got some on the ceiling shit.
I
mean,
mean,
yeah.
so as long as we get a bag from
Yeah.
it.
It all just all that
And
matter.
for those who, if y'all still thinking, should I watch this or not? You know what I'm saying? The motherfuckers got in the shower. You know what I'm saying? Now they got in the shower. And,
It was a wrap after that.
Yeah, after that, you know what I'm saying? When, you know, water be glistening all over. You know,
Down
y'all,
the crack.
y'all get
Down
the
the
motherfucking
crack.
shit. You know
We
what
can
I'm
say
saying?
glistening down the crack. Water
the
down the
crack.
crack.
And y'all was, of course, you know, we was able to, get Mo3 on that. You know what I'm saying? As far as to, you know,
Shout out to
bless,
Mo3.
yeah, bless
Shout
that,
out
you
to
know what I'm
his
saying?
song because that hoe went with it.
That hell went
All
with
the
it
way, all the way.
perfectly, man. What song, like, you know what I'm saying? Fuck the club shit, you know what I'm saying? When it's time to be with a nigga, you know what I'm saying, that y'all be like, hey, you know, put on that motherfucking Bobby Womack or some other crazy shit. What song do y'all feel like, hey, man, you know what I'm saying, I really geek to this artist, you know what I'm saying, as far as when
What's
you
gonna be the first
when you with your
person?
nigga, when you with your nigga.
What nigga?
Or with your bitch.
I'm finna say what?
Yeah, we do not
You
discriminate.
talking about some relationship shit?
Yeah, I'm talking about, when it's time to, you know, really.
Oh,
Being
Jarkees
our
for me.
friends, you know,
Jarkees
I
for
want
me,
to
baby.
throw. I don't want no turn up shit. I want some cool, common throwback sexual.
that's what I
music.
mean. Yeah, that's what
some
I'm talking
soul
about,
shit.
yeah.
Oh, like some fucking bitch.
Tank, fuck, what Tank song?
Nah,
is?
Tank got some good shit, and motherfucking Keith.
Are we finna fuck?
What?
We playing-
No,
Yeah, that's what I'm
just-
talking about.
oh,
We y'all twerked already, you know what I'm saying?
We over the twerk and our back hurt. We on
He
some
said
slow.
I'm back.
We on some slow shit. We on some freaky shit. I like really that shit like them BMC boys that.
Yeah, that
Oh,
old Dallas. The
down.
old Dallas.
Old
them
Dallas
MySpace
shit.
days.
Yes.
Oh, Dallas. MySpace.
My-
Yeah, y'all know about that, do y'all?
Yeah, Black Planet, nigga. What you talking about? She over here ticking and shit.
The four walls and all that shit.
She over here ticking, bro.
Nasty one.
Look, he know exactly what we talking about.
Yeah.
Yeah, that. But nah, I like all types of anything really. Nasty.
Yeah, okay, there you go.
That shit crazy, man.
And Jarkees, baby, I know you gonna watch this. Call me.
Please,
my baby.
I hate this.
I played all day. What?
You and this him.
Man, we XO been. I done seen you in a couple music videos before. Do you like doing those?
I love doing videos. Book me, nigga. I love doing videos.
What's your favorite video that you've been in so far?
That Johnny Cinco and
Yeah, Trap Boy.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
All I need is a shot.
they pay
Yeah.
me good too. Shout out to Johnny Cinco.
Yeah, as long as they make you look good, goddamn. You know what I'm saying? Holding it the fuck down, man. Who would you say, you know what I'm saying, throws that money the more? I mean, I know y'all been around ballers, NBA players, football players, trappers, artists. Who kind of make y'all, you know what I'm saying, right? You know
As far as throwing money,
yeah, as far as just making your night right, you know what I'm saying?
white men.
Oh, there you go. God damn it, y'all will never get on the level.
Mexicans and Mexicans.
All white tricks. Mexicans.
Niggas
Yeah, we
throw
didn't hit
money,
a
but
lick.
it got to be there.
Yeah, niggas gonna throw money, but white men gonna give you.
Mexicans,
But
they
Barely, Mexicans don't know how to throw money.
and Africans.
Some of them don't know. We talking about making our night right. At the end of the
Africans,
night,
they make my them who
Africans
make my
and
night
white
right.
men on my mama
All of them
got
make
that
my
money.
night right shit.
We really ain't fucked around with no Chinese people like that. We
I
ain't.
didn't
we
want
ain't seen-
Chinese. They pay good.
Well,
they pay
we
cheap.
talking about
Have you ever worked in a white strip club?
Yes, of course. That's our favorite strip
Before I
club.
got
Okay.
tatted, I was in there.
Yeah. If can you get to some country music?
Yeah,
I can twerk.
I'm an
'Cause that's what they play.
entertainer. I can dance to
Yeah.
whatever. I'm not a dancer. A dancer can only dance to certain shit or some shit.
You're not a
where
real
you can just
dancer
make
if you can't dance to
You're not.
anything.
You're
Yeah.
a dancer. If you're an entertainer, if you can dance to whatever club you at, if you can go in there and secure a bag, you an entertainer. You ain't
Real
no
talk,
dancer.
real talk.
What's the biggest difference between a white strip club and a black strip club?
A white strip club.
They don't want that ass
It's
bouncing
different.
shit.
Yeah.
They want
Yeah,
that.
they want that slow,
It's
sexy.
more money in a
Yeah,
white
they want
strip
that
club.
fantasy. They don't want
What's
that.
the craziest fantasy they ever asked you for? One of you.
I just got my toes sucked. Let me for $100 in the strip club, and my feet was stinking and everything. And I told him, and he still took my heel off, and he sucked this.
He said, "I like it
motherfucking
stinking,
toe."
motherfucker." God,
She like that shit.
He
She
said, I
sucked.
said, "You want to suck my toes?" He said, "Yep." I was like, "Okay."
Nah, I don't-
I had
Get
jam.
all
I know
10 of
I
them
had
mother-
jam. I just got off stage. He was playing, but he.
God damn, man. There you go.
Do you think there's anything that's too? Do you think there's anything that's too freaky?
I
Nope.
don't think it's nothing too freaky.
Nope.
Okay.
But not with just
Life.
anybody. Wait a minute. Now. Let
So
me see
you
how
like to
I
see
answer
somebody?
that question.
Are there limits though? Are
It
there
is.
limits?
It is
It's not
limits to that
limits.
ass.
Yeah, you
Now
know.
bucket
I don't
it
want
ain't.
no ass.
Okay,
no
okay,
shit,
X
no
on there.
ass, nothing. Don't go near this ass. You
Okay.
can lick the ass, maybe, But
Ain't nobody-
if,
ain't
maybe
nobody
a finger in the
accidentally,
ass. Ain't no accident shit. Don't
No, I'm
put
saying.
your
So what's
dick
your
near
what's
this
your?
ass.
Is it pineapples? What's your?
Man, it's just
what's your-
pineapples. I don't fuck with it. If pineapples,
I fuck with pineapples.
no,
Right, well, goddamn.
pineapples. No, like a finger or some shit. That's cool. Barely. But on my mom, I don't want to. I don't want to be shitting water, bro. I don't.
It's only for one day.
Now,
Fuck that. Asshole gonna be hurting for a week. Fuck
It
that.
depends how big it is.
now,
What? Ew, they do exist, and I don't want that. I don't want that shit.
now you know.
Okay, next.
Now you know a man probably walk in. They fantasies probably have y'all both together.
Well, they can probably do that if
that-
the price is right.
Okay, that scenario can happen.
If that price is right, they
Okay.
can have their fantasy.
Has that
all
fantasy
night.
happened for one of them Nigerians?
No.
I've had
They
a
haven't
threesome.
They
done
leave their fantasy at the club. They leave their fantasy at the club.
Man, hey,
We just who was it? Was it K? No, who was it? It was Cardi B that said her threesome was overrated.
Ew, she
Exo.
too fucking old for threesomes anyways. She should be worried about
That she like 25? Was she too
retiring.
old?
Wait, who?
Cardi B?
I thought he said Carly
You
Red.
never too old.
oh yeah, Carly Red.
Oh,
I thought you were talking about that old bitch.
No, not Carly Red. Cardi B.
yeah.
Oh,
Cardi B,
you,
she can
you
do
ain't
whatever.
never too
No,
old. No, you ain't never too old to get that pussy waxed, baby. You ain't never too old.
Shout out, what's her name? Betty Ross, or whatever the fuck the old lady name is from the Golden Girls. Hey, I was gonna say, do you feel like dancers will ever get to a point where they pull out a square reader, and, you just slide the card and therefore you get a dance?
Yes, please. We need
Yes.
this.
Yeah, keep a square reader on.
Yeah.
Yeah, where you gonna pull that
Definitely
motherfucker out from?
Just tap the card on my cheeks.
Tap it.
Press it against the left cheek. It'll Samsung Pay, it'll
Both
Apple Pay that
sides.
motherfucker.
Fuck that.
Hey,
Both sides.
is there any bartender stripper beef?
I don't know. Some bartenders be like, I don't know.
I
I'm some
bartend,
jealous
so
shit.
You do
yeah.
both?
Yeah, I do both. I got my TABC. I do both.
Oh yeah, shout out. We
she
got
do
that shit too.
everything.
2 years.
I do everything. I'm trying to secure. I'm trying to get millions.
Okay, well hold on. Let's go over the list. So you bartend. Okay, what else? You
I waitress.
waitress. What else?
At DGs.
Okay,
Both
DGs.
of us.
So
Okay, let's go down the list.
I do videos.
You shoot videos too?
No, I been.
Oh,
Oh yeah, I shoot my
Fool with the
videos.
iPhone.
God damn. No, I thought she was about to be like, nigga, I do
To be
photography.
everywhere.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Like,
I'm a
goddamn.
vixen. Shit.
Can y'all cook?
Oh, I can cook.
Yeah, because that's a
What?
spec. You know what I'm saying? To
And
do
it
both.
ain't no bowl, no bag, get no bag.
It ain't
of
no
chicken from
noodles,
I'm
nigga.
from
So what's your
scratch.
okay? What's y'all? All right. So when you gotta show somebody out, then you gotta cook your meal of your shit. What you cooking?
I'm cooking steak.
Oh shit. Okay. What's the size? What's the size though? What's the size
You
though?
might have some mashed potatoes, some stuff, loaded mashed potatoes.
How
You
many-
might have a baked potato. I don't know. I like asparagus.
How many times have y'all?
I do too.
Hold on. How many times have y'all been proposed to?
I've been engaged.
No comment.
Nigga be like,
You been engaged in what?
hey, once you cook a nigga a steak, it's a wrap. It's over with.
Nah.
So what you cooking over there? What you cooking?
I'm cooking some spaghetti.
Oh yeah, nah, hey. You cook? Hey, no. Yeah, you cook a mean spaghetti. You know what I'm saying? What are you
With
throwing in there?
meatballs.
Yeah, oh, but-
with some big meatballs.
Yeah,
real
I like.
saucy.
I like when they meatballs.
With some garlic bread on the
Excuse
side.
me, Teddy would like to join the interview. He's actually bringing some edibles.
Oh shit.
Shout out to Big One. Oh yeah,
It got drink in it. It is got
Wait a minute, bitch. We finna get fucked up.
yeah.
Okay. Here we can share.
You
What?
said
We
you-
love pineapples.
I love
Look, now we love pineapples.
Shout out to Teddy.
Shout out to Teddy. Hey man, say man, he's sitting there rose out.
Booty alert. Booty alert. Booty alert. Booty on Teddy. Booty on Teddy.
booty on Teddy.
No, Teddy's face was down there too long. He don't really. Yeah. Come on now. Come on now.
Wait a minute.
Um,
Teddy and Rose left.
man, I'm curious. I'm curious. You know what I'm saying? As far as tattoos, man. Y'all got some throw tattoos in the video.
Hey, you know
I was
what's
trying
crazy?
to do. It was like
We
some
got some shit that's like low key matching and don't even know it.
I mean,
Like,
seriously, I'm looking at the video and I was watching like, damn, that shit kind of. I mean, what's y'all throw this tattoo? I mean, I'm looking at. I see some flowers. I see
I
some.
got a whole bunch of shit. My shit really covered
My
right
Marilyn
now.
Monroe, the dopest.
Oh, I love that shit. Oh, wait,
Yeah.
stand up a little bit. I want them to see it. You know what I'm saying? God damn it.
You lucky you can show your shit off. But
Oh
I
yeah.
gotta see my
Oh yeah.
shit.
That shit is dope. With
Shout
the
out to Yoki.
yeah.
Yep.
Yo,
Uh,
shout out. Wait,
you got-
where's Yoki at?
She's in Fort Worth.
Okay, that tattoo shop. What
Yep.
tattoo shop?
Where's the tattoos we don't see? Where how far they?
Oh, I got some shit right here.
My
Right
son,
here.
my ass.
Okay.
My
yeah.
side's done.
What was y'all first? What was the first tattoo? I'm just
The
kidding.
one on my stomach.
My
Stomach?
name.
Yeah, it was a big as shit. And I was like, what, 15? You couldn't tell me shit. Every
Yeah, on the
shirt I
stomach.
had on my mama,
know.
every shirt up. I'm like, shit.
Fuck.
I can't
Shit, I know your mom was
What?
pissed like.
No, she was like,
She was
okay, you can
cool?
go ahead. Yeah, because my mama black. My daddy white. He wasn't going for that
Okay.
shit.
Oh yeah.
He was like, no, you can wait till you're 18. I'll pay for the first one. Fuck that. I'll go.
Okay. And no, go ahead, cause I want to see how you eat that motherfucker. Yeah. Take it slow. You know what I'm saying? Take your time with it.
Eat that as freaky as possible.
Yeah, for real. I mean, just show them what it is.
That was not.
Oh yeah. Oh, see it? Did you see it dripping off that motherfucker though? Goddamn. You see it dripping off?
Oh Lord.
Teddy just came.
She
Teddy, you
said
gotta,
no tongue ring.
Teddy, you gotta calm down, Teddy.
No tongue rings.
Teddy, you gotta calm down, Teddy. Teddy over there getting it in.
It's going live at 5 in the background, man.
What would for the fans out there that's gonna be watching y'all tonight? You know what I'm saying? What's something about y'all that talent that someone may not know that y'all have? Some skills.
When I want to, I can freestyle a little bit, rap,
hold up,
sing,
Oh
whatever.
shit! Give us
Look,
about 8 bars.
When I want to, not when I gotta get put on the spot and shit. I gotta be drunk.
Yeah.
I gotta be, hot in a bitch, and on my mama some shit gonna fly out this shit. But I ain't never just took the shit serious.
Man, you should, man. You should.
I don't know.
We lacking the female presence.
Hey, if you had the chance to get on Love and Hip Hop Dallas, let's just say
I
they
would.
created
I'm
this
in that
shit.
thing. Cast the
I
call.
would.
Call me. I'm in that thing.
What cast member would you be? Would you be the one throwing drinks
be
on
Tommy.
bitches? Would you be?
I'm Tommy too. That's my bitch.
That's my
Tommy
bitch.
call me
Tommy
bitch.
is my bitch on my mama.
She violent to the motherfucker for no reason.
Alcoholic. Gonna
What?
secure the
That's me.
motherfucking bag
All the
and it's
way.
really all time.
And don't
You-
play.
And ain't gonna
And
go
a
for no
smacker hoe,
bullshit. What? Any disrespect on any level, gonna go for it.
Hey, can you please give the inexperienced tippers out there the proper tip etiquette? When they walk in, because when a nigga walk in the strip club for the first time, nigga be overwhelmed. Like,
Yeah,
do I
like-
throw the whole bag? How do I get through the night?
Like, how do you get through the night? I mean, because kids
I
be in there
almost
like.
tell them a dream to them pockets clean.
No, see, I'm
I'm
saying
gonna
like,
know,
I'm
like,
saying
I'm
like
gonna go in there and I'm gonna
a
tell
young
him.
man walk in, he got 200, he know he ready to spend. Does he hand you 20s? Does he throw the ones? I mean, does
If he a dummy the first time, I'm gonna tell him he gotta throw 20s.
I mean, not. I mean,
I'm gonna try to finesse a lap dance. As many lap dance. I'm gonna just keep going.
I'm gonna keep them to myself.
He keep wanting more. I'm
gonna keep them to myself.
He kept me top.
I don't want him to go no other bitch. He just gonna stay right here in my When I go on
Once I got
stage,
you,
you gotta
got
come near the stage.
So can y'all like identify a nigga with money like in the crowd? Y'all just like
no, because some niggas be in there with stacks on their
It just
motherfucking
sitting on
table,
the
and
table.
it just
It
sits
just sitting
there,
on the table.
and
Sit
it'll
on
watch
table.
us. Like
say.
and they don't spend it.
no, broke
They
niggas.
be
Niggas, I'm going home.
stunning.
This just for show, nigga.
Yeah,
This
and they gonna take them
I
ones
put 'em
back
just
to the
for
bank
show.
and put it right
Said
back.
I would put a stamp.
Call them niggas out, man. Tell
Man,
the
broke
DJ to
niggas.
call them niggas out, man.
No,
You know
they do.
and they
They still don't do it.
Hey, I ain't gonna
That
lie,
shit
them
don't
DJs be
work.
kind of hard on niggas. They be like, you niggas ain't tipping no money yet.
And
Get the fuck out my club. You be feeling like, God damn, I
They
just
be
got
putting them
this.
on, but sometimes
The
the shit don't
DJs
work.
make the club. On God, they make
If
the
you
club.
got the right DJ, you gonna make money on my mama.
But
Yeah.
always show love to the DJ.
For a DJ,
got
make you
to.
feel
That's
bad
your
if you ain't
man.
spend no money, man. What's the protocol though? Whenever females, you know, because niggas throw a lot of money, y'all be dancing. It be like 3, 4, 5 females dancing in one little area, and the money hit the floor. What's the real protocol?
Man, them
that's-
bitches, man, them bitches
Man.
disrespectful.
Yeah,
Y'all
like so what's the
disrespectful.
protocol for the female? Like, what's y'all code? Like,
It
this-
ain't
if
no-
it,
it ain't
if
no
it-
code.
if it hit my
Come on,
ass
just
and fall off,
It
don't
ain't
touch
no
it. I mean,
code.
what's
It's like
code?
really like to me, it's a code to me because
Yeah.
bitch, if this nigga, you see this nigga throwing money on me, bitch, I wish you would.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
I
Like-
wish you, bitch, I'm going all your shit on my mama. But
got in a lot of fights
if
at the
this
club
nigga
because
just
of that.
throwing money up in the
Yeah.
air and it's not going to nobody, really, it's just
whoever just
whoever
good
get it,
enough
'cause,
to.
yeah, really.
Yeah. What do y'all feel about when niggas pick their shit back up?
Well, you better not touch shit. You better not pick a motherfucking dollar back
never
up.
had that.
Don't even slide the dollar off nothing. Don't touch the dollar. Once it's out your hands, don't even move. If it's on you, look, if the dollar's sitting on your lap, leave it there. I'm gonna move it for you. Don't touch it.
Land back on you,
Don't
please
touch it. Don't touch it. That's it. Leave your hands. Do not touch it. That's disrespectful. That's fake.
Man, what's the fakest shit that happened to y'all in the club?
What? Splitting money with bitches that don't deserve it.
Yep. Amen. That just happened.
That didn't go in there and work for their
Man,
back.
I went to
It be
XTC.
some girls be in there like, you know
I
what I'm
got
saying,
fired from
gonna
ecstasy.
dance.
Did you?
Doing the
Man, I
most.
seen the
That's a
motherfucking
drunk
ecstasy.
bitch.
It was like black, white, Mexican. The black girl wasn't doing shit.
Nothing.
Everybody
Ain't getting
else was getting money. I was like, damn.
That's how it
money. And they
goes.
gonna split it in 3 ways. You got me fucked up. That's why it's only XO and Rose, cause bitch, you working as hard as I'm working, and I'm working as hard as you, and then we both gonna, you know what I'm saying?
I like that tag team action.
We both gonna eat.
What? Got to.
Whenever they fly a big name stripper in the club, does that make y'all mad? Do y'all feel any type of way about this shit?
When
I'm
they do
still
what?
gonna eat. I don't give a fuck.
When they do what?
Well, they fly one of them strippers in, they put them on the flyer and shit. You know
Oh,
what I'm
that's
saying?
cool. You
That's
can
what
whatever, blah blah blah.
Fly
You can
20
promote
more
whatever.
in.
You
I'm
can
still
promote
gonna
whatever. Cause when you come there and you see me, it's a wrap. For whoever, cause shit, I look exotic. I don't look like them bundles and
Fake
all that
ass.
fake ass, nothing. Cause everything on me is real.
Real shit. Hey,
It ain't too many. For real though, for real. Real from the ass. to
K104 is
everything,
giving out
to the-
10 racks for fake booties.
What'd you
you
say?
know you-
K104 is giving out 10,000 for fake booties.
Well, they
are
can
you
keep
are you
that
on board
fake
with
ass.
that?
I'm not doing it. I squat.
I
for
use
this.
the 10,000 for
I
something
10,000
else.
to squat. What? Fuck that ass. Cause
Yeah,
that
man.
hoe gonna be hard than a bitch.
Yeah.
It ain't gonna move like
It's
you
gonna
want
be
it to.
saggy
When
as
you get
fuck.
old as fuck, what the hell gonna look like a rock?
Saggy.
You just take it out, right? Ain't that how they do?
What? What they
Who
gonna
the
suck
fuck
it
wanna
back?
go through all that?
I don't know how it
I
works.
don't know how it works.
I don't know how it works,
So we
man.
both
Shout out to the
confused.
real shit, you
Shout
know
out
what
to the
I'm
real
saying? Team
bitch.
Natural in
A
this
natural.
Natural.
Hey.
Team Natural,
Only
man.
thing
Hey,
fake on
again,
me.
go watch that fucking video. You want to see some natural ass
Oh,
shaking?
natural.
Natural
All
ass
that.
motion, how it's supposed to move?
That how it's
How it's
lit.
supposed to move.
How it's
Even better.
supposed to move.
Y'all
You know what
didn't
I'm
even
saying?
get all of
Look,
it.
Ronnie, Lil Ronnie, make a song called How It's Supposed to Move.
How it's
Please,
supposed
bro.
to move. Bounce that ass how it's supposed to move.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Hey, if y'all could hit any other city, I know y'all been around a little bit, but any other city that y'all want to hit that y'all ain't been to?
I want to go to Atlanta.
I wanna go to New York.
For real. I
New
want to
York,
go to
hey,
Cali.
Jeff, tell him
I
about
wanna
New York,
go to
man.
New York.
New York, man.
Yeah, I heard it's big
York,
money.
man.
I know that
Bartenders
It's
in New
big
York be
money out
fine,
there,
though.
son.
Them
The bartenders be
bad,
fine.
the motherfucker.
I know, yeah, the bartender. You compete with bartenders.
Shit.
Compete
Wow.
with bartenders, man.
I don't know. The ass shots worked on her though.
Man, what's y'all social media game like? You know what I'm saying?
My
Hey,
social
I
media.
am social media. Fuck you,
My
mean.
social media,
I
I
love
love
it.
What's your Snapchat? What y'all fuck with the
My
gram? What
Instagram
y'all-
is
with the gram.
rose.baby, and that's about it. My Facebook, I'm leaving that to myself because that hoe ain't finna be popping what I'm doing
Yeah,
right now.
yeah.
You know, we
Yeah,
gonna leave
yeah.
that to the. That's its own life right there. But
Yeah.
that Instagram, just got a new page, so y'all gotta go follow me to run my followers up.
You ain't fucking with the Snapchat? You ain't fucking with the
Nah, not
Periscope
really. I
and
used too, but nah, everybody do the same shit on Snapchat.
Yeah, Instagram stole all that
shit boring, and so I'm tired of seeing the people playing with their motherfucking hair.
XO, do it one more time. I see you over there. No, just one more time for the camera. Goddamn, we see you over there. You know what I'm saying? God damn it, man. If you want to secure the bag.
Secure the fucking bag, XO.
Edible pineapple.
Edible pineapple.
I know them hoes good.
Get them hoes from Big One.
Yeah, get some kush.
Order about 17 of them bitches from Big One.
OG kush. Stop fucking around. No, hey, so if a nigga pull up and pull out some Reggie, you still gonna fuck with him?
No, fuck no.
Oh, God,
get the fuck away.
Oh, god damn, yes. He committing a homicide right there.
You said Reggie. You said the bottom is like
yeah, because that's all some niggas got sometimes. You know, he be like, hey, just make it.
You not finna smoke with us.
Hey, what?
No.
What? Hey, what's
smoke this shit by yourself?
What's the one drug you walked in on somebody doing? You was like, nah, bro, that's too far.
Or nah, girl.
Meth.
What?
You see somebody doing that?
In a white club.
Oh,
a girl,
okay.
A white girl.
Some Breaking Bad shit.
Shit.
White clubs, them white girls be going ham.
I don't know. I say that powder. It's a lot of that shit going.
Yeah.
It's a lot of that shit going. Like bitches on that shit. Like
that's what most strippers like. Most strippers do drugs.
even the ones that look like they ain't on shit be on that shit.
They be on that powder. They be on that.
And-
Throw them
and
my thunder.
They be on that what?
Throw
Come
it-
that bitch.
Any
something
upper.
certain.
And I'm gonna let you shit on for a second, man. What's the biggest bag you secured in one night?
I say like 5.
5 racks.
What? On my mama.
What'd you go the next day? I mean, would you go to?
I
Did you
didn't
go to?
go
You keep it
nowhere.
Waffle House?
I went to the bank.
There you go, man. She's an investor.
Quit. Fuck it. I quit.
I went to the bank. Huh?
No red bottoms, no.
A car?
No Jimmy. No, a car.
That nigga did make a car payment just right out the gate.
Yeah, no car, no nothing.
What was the
Went
follow-up
on.
night though? Like,
What? Fucked up.
nigga like 5 racks one day, 250 the next. Ain't this the business?
Oh, it ain't never hit that bottom.
Okay.
If I make 5 racks, I'm not going to dancing the next night. I'm gonna, chill.
So I'm taking a whole month off. Fuck this
I'm gonna
shit.
chill for about a night or two.
earned the night off.
I deserve a night off. I don't have to do this shit.
Nigga, I
I don't
deserve
really
a
have
week
to dance
off.
every day. I do it when I want to be honest. I don't have to dance every day. I don't dance every day. I really don't. I'd rather do a party or some shit, bachelor party or some shit,
I'd rather
private
dance
party
every day.
than be at a club, to be honest.
I'd rather be at the club, turned up with everybody.
What is the
On the
percentage?
scene.
What is the percentage of niggas that cheat on their bachelor parties?
What?
Man,
99.999.
Every bachelor party I went to,
please,
they try
every woman getting married turn. Do not.
You know, they all be like, you gotta do it that one. Well, pick one of them bitches over there. So I'm not doing it,
Alright,
bitch.
so-
You getting married tomorrow.
So does that make you? Yeah, she said. So does that make you? Does that fuck you up when you dating?
No.
That don't make you feel like you can't trust nobody?
Fuck that. I don't care. I'm taking the money and I'm going home. I don't care about. I'm not in here to get to know what you going through. Don't care about how your marriage and shit gonna go. I don't care.
your pussy,
At that
your
moment
wife,
in life, I'm
pussy
only worried about
loose.
securing the
y'all
bag.
lie to him, make him feel good, man. God damn. That's what's up, man. God damn, that's what's up. As far as y'all, y'all's chemistry and kind of what y'all doing, and even fucking with real life, you know what I'm saying?
Hey,
Which we
shout out.
gonna do another one of them motherfuckers, man. You know what I'm saying?
Quick, when y'all
Real
ready.
soon, you know what
When
I'm
y'all
saying?
ready, let us know.
We gonna do another one of them motherfuckers, man. How long do you feel like y'all, you know what I'm saying, that with just doing the entertainment business, you know what I'm saying? Y'all got to out? You got a game plan to get up out?
Yeah.
Invest in an island or some shit?
Yeah.
I want a business.
Yeah, you
I
got
Like a
multiple.
lounge.
I want to invest.
Yeah, you got an idea? Any
I wanna
ideas?
invest.
Like a lounge.
Like a lounge?
Yeah, like some
I
shit
want-
Like a
where-
massage parlor?
No.
Okay, I'm just
Not
asking.
no sex shit.
Just fucking
I'm
asking.
not trying to sell no bitches.
I'm just fucking asking, man. There's money in all this shit. There's
I'm
money in all
not trying to
this.
sell no bitches. I'm trying to really make this shit work.
Nah,
That shit
lounge
gonna
is
get
dope.
shut down sooner or later.
A lounge
so I
is
need
dope.
some like a lounge,
Something
like
legit.
a bar, like with
Yeah,
some lounge.
hookah lounge is dope.
Hookah lounge.
Fuck the hookah shit. I'm talking about like some getting drunk and then go in there and get all types of food. Like one day it might be like some Jamaican
Like
shit.
Hero.
I like that.
Like one day it might be some soul food. One day you might get Mexican taco Tuesday. You know what I'm saying? I want some different shit.
Taco Tuesday,
Come on,
yeah.
Fat
Yeah.
ass.
Oh, you said the fact.
That's real. Twerking and tacos, man. That's
Like day parties and shit, like that
Titties
shit,
and
like
tacos.
all day.
Twerking
titties
and tacos. Yeah, that
Titties
shit,
Twerk titty
Titties and
tacos.
that shit can't fail.
Twerk titty tacos.
Yeah, that shit can't fail.
Titty
Titty
taco
tacos.
Tuesday.
They get to eat it off the titty.
Big titty.
Man, the real question is, will Rose and XO be at the Real Life Street Stars party May 10th.
Fucking right.
It's gonna be what? We already got people. We got our Africans coming.
Yes.
We got our Africans will be in the motherfucking building.
They might even blow that.
So if y'all trying to see them in person, goddamn it, all y'all followers out there, you trying to see them in person. Murphy's Mansion, May 10th.
And we be in that bitch before May 10th.
And they will do some exclusive shit that won't be seen on camera.
Ain't gonna be seen on camera live.
You wanna be there.
On my mama.
You wanna see what that Henny do?
Anything is gonna be possible.
Anything.
Buy us shots all night.
Man. Do y'all got any shout outs?
Shout out to XO and Rose.
What?
Shout out to the whole Triple D, man. Y'all fam.
Yeah. Real life.
You already
Street
know.
Stars. Shout out to y'all.
Yeah, shout out
Cause y'all
to,
really feeling.
Shout
you know
out
what
to
I'm saying?
Twerk Thirst, even though we got shut down.
Hey, we gonna get it right back. We gonna get it right back.
Shut it down for about 24 hours.
The website's still going. The goddamn Facebook
But our
still
next
turned.
one gonna get this shit.
Hey, don't feel bad. They blocked me from Instagram Live.
They be
We was going
damn.
live that night. That
For
day.
real?
After that video, after we made that video, they blocked me. I have not
She
been.
still ain't been able to go live.
I didn't even know they could do that
I had
shit.
to email them.
Them
She had
niggas
to
be
call
hating,
customer
man.
service.
Damn, they got a number? They got, hold on, wait. They got a number? Please give me that number.
Yo, as we get
I
blocked
need my
too.
shit back tonight, son.
What?
I'm about to hit a milli. I'm about to hit a milli. They hating on the nigga. Anyway, man, XO Princess Rose, baby.
Hey.
You on some Real Life Street Stars. Hey, twerk for titty. Twerk for titty. Twerk for titty. Hey, twerk for titty. Hey, twerk.
Real
my
Life Street
pants
Star
set up.
shit.
Shout out Real Life Street Stars, nigga. Move it. Hey.